I'm going to show how to download CCleaner on your Windows 10. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. So friends, I'm requesting before watching the video, please make sure you subscribe and watch the full video. So friends, let's start directly through the video. So firstly, I will if you want to download the CCleaner from in your Windows 10 or any desktop, so firstly go to Google and then type in CCleaner. So after you type in CCleaner, you see here there will be the first link. I will leave the link in the description, or you can download from filehippo.com. I will leave both links in the YouTube description box, so you can go and check it out, guys. So firstly, you need to open the CCleaner app. So after that, you click on the close adding options in here, and then click on download latest version. So you see, guys, in here, after I click on download latest version, so after that there will be some pop-up in here, so you can download the application through this link. So friends, as you see, I click on download. Okay, so it's gonna download soon. So after that, I need to download the CCleaner. So if you want to download the CCleaner, so if this link is not working, you need to go to Google and then type in CCleaner. So after I type in CCleaner, you see the first application link. So I will leave the link in the description for you guys only. So after I go to the first link, as you see, the app interface is something like this. So after that, you need to click on free trial, or you can type in free. So as you see, there are two options. You can download the free version of CCleaner. So after you click on the free download, there will be some here they will show some notifications here, and then you click on download. After that, you will see some CC setup here. So you go to downloads and open the file from here. So as you see, it's currently downloading the folder, and then you click on show in folder. So friends, after you see the file, you click on right click. After you click on right click, friends, you can click on run as administrator. So after you click on run as administrator, they will show some pop-up in here. Yes. So I'm showing the simple installation for you guys only. Thank you. So as you see, it's already done, but there will be running some process in here. So as you see, it's running the setup from the CCleaner. So I click on install. So as you see, the installation has started in here, and I click on accept. After I click on accept, there will be some running checks in here. So after running the checks from your Windows, so it will be automatically installed. As you see, I close on minimize the Chrome, and then the CCleaner has been installed properly in your desktop. So after that, I'm going to install run the CCleaner. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Again, I'm saying after that you can leave the video. Okay, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. So after I open CCleaner, I'm going to show you simple steps. So you can either check out these settings in here, or you can clean your PC from this application. So I'm going to click on get start. So as you see, close and analyze. So it's going to close the browser. So as you see, the Google Chrome has been closed automatically, and then I click on yes. So as you see, it's already done, guys. So thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and then press the bell notification to get daily updates from my channel. Thank you.